Hello everyone, I am Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So in this video, this is most special one, and due to this Saudi season, we have made this video because this video we are going to talk about cover-up tattoos. Yes, so cover-up tattoos is not a common thing, and it requires a lot of skill to execute it. So if you are looking for the cover-up tattoos, if you are regret in your life by getting your girlfriend name or the boyfriend name, then you wanted to be cover it up, if you got a breakup or something, then this video will be really helpful for you all. Do watch this video completely, and I will tell you the techniques of how to doing it and how to choose the best artist who can do the best cover-up tattoos to you, and how you can do the maintenance, all those things. Let's get into the topic now. So the first most important thing we need to remember before getting a cover-up tattoos, you should understand two things. And you want the cover-up tattoo to be in the exact same size of your old tattoo, or are you okay with to be go ahead with a little bigger size to cover up your old tattoo? You need to fix this, because surely many of the artists recommend you to go ahead with the bigger size of the tattoo to cover your old tattoo. In our studio, we recommend both the ways. If the clients would like to go ahead with the bigger size of the tattoo to cover your old, then completely fine, we'll be agree and we'll be go ahead on that. Perhaps if they are liking to go ahead with the smaller size, exactly that same size of their old tattoo to cover that, then that's also completely fine for us, we'll be go ahead with that. So you need to understand this. Size wise, you are going to do the exact same size as per your old tattoo, or you are okay to go ahead with the bigger size tattoo. Yes. So next, second thing which you need to remember is the main purpose of yours is to be cover the tattoo completely, or are you okay to modify it? Yes. Recently, if you check out our video, I will attach the image here. We have changed this name Manju as a mom and dad. Even that is also possible as a modification. But your tattoo artist needs to be more creative to do this, and it should come perfect. If it's any mistakes happens, then the old tattoo also will get spoiled and your new tattoo also will get spoiled. So your tattoo artist needs to be more creative and skillful to change this as an extension. So you need to understand, you are looking for the modification or you are planning to cover it up. So this both the things you need to decide which one you are planning to do it. The third most important thing is, are you going to do via the concept wise or the design wise? Yes, these two things you need to understand it very clearly, because if you are a person wants to go ahead with the concept wise, then you need to explain that to your tattoo artist whether that concept is possible to do on your top of the tattoo or not. If it's a more creative artist, if you give some like a sensible or if it's understandable concept, surely they'll try to make it as cover up on your old tattoo. So you need to understand that concept wise or design wise. Design wise, it's very easy. So artist itself may suggest you some designs to cover this tattoo exactly. You can go ahead with that designs, so you will get the best output. So in the third point, you need to understand concept or design, which one you are planning to be go ahead with it. Then the fourth most important thing is, check out your artist portfolio, which they did already the cover-up tattoos. Yes, because already we messed up the first time, we should not mess up the second time also. So we need to always consider this before going to get a tattoo. Ask your artist portfolio or the cover-up tattoos which they have done already, or check out their Instagram profile or the website portfolio profile, what are all the things might have they done it. Some of the artists, they don't post every pictures on the websites due to the copyrights issues, so you can ask them privately. They might have some collections with them, you can go ahead with that too. The last but not least most important point is, now you are going to do the cover-up tattoo, so you should not mess up this cover-up tattoo. You got me point? So in what ways and all there is a possibilities you may get mess up this cover-up tattoo. One thing is, again you should not get the tattoo you may regret in the later. For example, you are getting a girlfriend name tattoo cover-up, again you are getting another name to be tattooed done on top of it, that might be you may regret in the future. So you should not do that. Okay, and the another important thing is pricing. Many of the people think about this, they get a tattoo, not only the name tattoo, some tattoos they messed up with the amateurs or the backyard operators, the output might not be so good, so they wanted to get the tattoo done, but they wanted to do it in the less price. So instead of going ahead with the professionals, they'll be go ahead with the amateurs artist. Again they'll be mess up that tattoo also. So third time you are going to come for the another cover up tattoos. In our experience in our studio, we have experienced like this many clients. So from our experience, we are telling you, second time you are going to get a tattoo, choose the best artist. So you are getting output for what you are paying for. So that you just remember it and go for the best artist. Get a cover up tattoo which you don't get regret in your whole life. And then the most third important thing is maintenance. Some of the tattoos may get messed up due to the maintenance also. If the artist might have done the great job, but the tattoo clients, if they did not maintain it properly, then it cannot provide you the best output. In that way, the second time after cover up tattoo also, if you did not follow the proper maintenance, like I don't want to apply that, I don't want to do this, I'm just get into the swimming pool and then you are going to spoil your tattoo by the most of the chances. So don't do that, keep that in the mind. And now I'm going to talk about the tattoo aftercare. So when we are talking about the tattoo aftercare, you are going to do the tattoo on the second time top of the old tattoo, and many of them get a doubt that will this get infected. I should say no, it will not get infected. You no need to worry at all, because if you are going ahead with the best professional tattoo artist and the tattoo studio, your tattoo is not going to be infected. Many of them thinks like, already I got a tattoo done and I'm going to do top of it, so will that get swelling or will that pain so much, will that gives more damage? No, it will not pain so much. It will be same as pain as the normal tattoo, and it will not gives you the any wound or something. It will be same as like your normal tattoo, but what we are doing is we are going to do the cover up tattoo. That's it. That's the only difference between the normal tattoo and cover up tattoo. Apart from that, pain wise, maintenance, as well as the wound or the infections, nothing will be there. It will be same as it's the normal tattoo. Only thing is choose the best professional artist. And when it comes to the maintenance, be delicate. You just follow as your tattoo artist said. If the tattoo artist said any harsh creams or antibiotic creams, don't go ahead with that. Go ahead with the organic creams. Your tattoo requires moisturization more than that, so go ahead with that. Never makes your tattoo to be dry. I heard many of the tattoo artists telling like, don't apply anything, let the tattoo to be dry. That's the huge mistake you do. It will be cause lot of infections and it will be makes pain in your tattoo also. So don't do that. Just apply them best organic moisture creams. So we recommend our tattoo protector cream. This will give you the best output. In our tattoo studios, for everybody we recommend this cream. So if you guys have any more doubt regarding this cover up tattoo, please do comment us below. We are here to help you out, and we have attached our social media links in our descriptions, and if you want to call us, our contact number also there, you can call us at any time. If you guys have not yet subscribed our channel, it's time to subscribe. We are making a video on a daily basis with a lot more informative, so don't forget to subscribe it. Until then, don't die in you.